Hello Bloomies. Today in Blum Academy, we talk about on-chain data, a great way to analyze crypto market and level up your game. Let's get started. On-chain data is like getting receipts for every transaction made on blockchain. It is information recorded on a public blockchain you can see. For instance, you can look up transaction Ethereum or Binance, either scans or BSC scan. Digging into this data could help you in this time happening into cryptocurrency market and spot potential opportunities on risk. By doing on-chain analysis, looking at who's buying, selling and where he's storing their assets. Crypto traders can track market sentiments, track prices, track blockchain money and even predict trends. For example, a lot of Bitcoin floating into centralization exchange. It might mean investors are preparing to sell, which could drive prices down. If Bitcoin can decentralize wallet, people are planning to hold it by mine. When doing on-chain analysis, there you look different metrics like active addresses, transaction volumes, supplies distribution, and total value logged. Active addresses are the wallet that actively sending or receiving crypto. More active addresses mean more users are engaged with that cryptocurrency, which could indicate growing your interest. Conversely, drop could show that users are lowering interest. Transaction volume is a total number of transactions or a period which tells you how busy network reveals patterns, especially things when wallet out. Supply distribution shows how that cryptocurrency is spread along while distribution of people hold it. Well, a concentrate by means of few big players hold most of it. By the way, if you hold most of it, that's a red flag. And finally, there is total value locked, which measures that how much money locked in smart contract or decentralized app. High TVL mean a lot of money is flowing in chain, which can be assigned as a option and strong usage. But don't forget there are also other ways: market technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis looks at a basic value of cryptocurrency, how much it deserves there, how many people are using it and what useful for. Technical analysis is more like a reading price charts. It relies on fast performance data and all about spotting patterns from fast price movement and guess what might happen when. So on-chain analysis is a power to see big picture, especially when use another method of analysis. It helps you to understand why people are buying and selling that a cryptocurrency, how you can make smart move. It not magic bullet but give you insight from the market that you can just conquer the methods. That's all about for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to crypto fans.